Hi guys, need to show in this video here they poured concrete for slab here. You can see they are doing to do final touch, final finishing. That's fresh concrete they just poured, and they are working to flatness, levelness. Okay, you can see the front support. You can see here the concrete retaining wall. Okay, over there there is road, and curb and gutter and sub-base work. Okay, you can see here after they put concrete for slab, you can see the insulation and waterproof membrane. Okay, you can see the yellow and the green. That's 2 inches of the insulation and the corner waterproof, soundproofing. Okay, and they did the safety 2x4, and they did the framing for the first floor. They did the framing, and then here they installed the wood floor trusses, you can see, and they started from that end going this way to install the plywood, 5/8 plywood, and you can see the 2x4 for safety. Okay, here they are using the lull to raise up the plywood. Everywhere hard hats, safety first. You can see hard hats and harness also. You can see harness. You can see those guys, they wear a harness for safety and hard hats. Okay. And as I said, you can see the curb and gutter. They put sub-base and curb and gutter, sub-base and curb and gutter, and later they will do binder and asphalt surface, because here there's a curb and gutter. If there's only curb, what they will do, they will do binder first and then concrete curb second, and asphalt surface at the end. So here you can see 2 building good size, and over there is, like, you can see steel structure and the block work, mason work for elevator shaft at the corner. Okay guys, and here you can see in this building plumbing work, and here the catch basin, protected island, concrete curb and gutter, and fresh concrete plumbing work, electrical work. You can see the stuff, that's big stuff for concrete work. Good concrete manpower. Over there road work, you can see topsoil pile over there, red dirt pile over there. Okay, and more wood floor trusses. You can see the slope here, grass, erosion mats and seeds for slope. It is green there, it is yellow here. Okay guys, you can see that's good work ongoing, everything good to go. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Okay guys, thank you, bye.